back to my channel. I know it's been a while. It's been a crazy time over here, but today I've decided, I've actually been working on this for some time, but I have been wanting to obviously get back to vlogging and creating content, just back to like my social media like passion that I have. I love sharing everything that I can online. I love the community that we have created. It's like a little family to me. I've made connections with people. Like, I literally talk to some people like on the daily, and there's other people that I've actually exchanged phone numbers with, and they'll like text me and ask me how I'm doing, although I'm not posting regularly. So I really do appreciate that. And I miss it. I miss like keeping up with y'all. I miss sharing what's going on, just sitting down and chatting. So today was like the perfect day to do that. I feel like life has been chaotic. I put my hair up because I was like, no, like I need to just be real. I have some cleaning to do and organizing. So this is me. This is what I look like on the daily, but I missed it, and I'm gonna get back to recording content, sharing. Maybe I can do some shorts, like some YouTube shorts, just to, instead of like a video as often, I'm just gonna like ease my way back into it and definitely get back to creating content. So I'm excited. But anyways, I created a mess over here. So I've kind of created a situation for myself. I'm so embarrassed, but you know, is what it is. You know how some people have a junk drawer? You know, we're all guilty of it. Okay, well, I don't just have a junk drawer. I have one of those, but then I also have a junk cabinet here. And it's like everything that would go on our dining room table, instead of like going on there whenever I need to hide it, I just put it in there. And it's time to clean this shit up because I'm tired of it. So I have like medicine that I'm pretty sure can go at this point, a ton of like COVID tests. I have cups. My husband goes to games and all this shit, and he likes coming home and he likes bringing them home and basically collecting them. And I'm like, bro, just like use them, throw them away, keep one of the cups, and then just put whatever you want to actually keep for like keepsake in the garage. Like, there's no need, like, i.e. all of these cups. And he's like, but it's from the world championship, because he went to the world championship. And I'm like, keep one and throw all of them away. And he doesn't let me use like any of these cups because they're like, no, they have meaning and blah blah blah. I guess I'm not one of those people to like put like memories and meaning onto like stuff. I'm just one of those of like, I'll take a picture, I'll remember that I was there, but I'm not gonna keep like stuff. I'm just not that kind of person, and my husband obviously is. So my goal today, I wouldn't even say just today, but this week, is that I really want to organize like all the things. I want to organize like my kitchen. When I lived at my apartment, everything was like so well organized because everything was like so, you can say, small and condensed. And now that we have our house, like I feel like we've like found different places and different spots in our home to like keep crap in. And it's just like not good for my mental health. I was opening this package up. I needed to get dental floss, so I just opened that up. And another thing that is happening, you guys, and I'm pretty sure maybe I can bring y'all along, I'm gonna get Invisalign. I'm so excited. I had braces for like 3 years, and let me go over to the kitchen. So the reason why I even started going through this drawer and cleaning it up is because I lost this charger. This is the charger to our vacuum, and I needed to find it so I could plug it in and put it on to charge, because the house has been obviously a disaster. So I need to plug this in and get the vacuum. I don't know if you notice, hopefully it's not too bad, but I got a new lens for my camera. My camera is it's a Canon G7X. Oh, that fell. We'll fix it in a little bit. I have a Canon G7X, which is great, but one of the downfalls of it is that you can't, it's not wide angle. It is a pretty like, hold on. Okay, so it is obviously like a really good camera and I love it, but I always felt like I needed a wider angle. I felt like it really, I would have to like hold the camera super far and it was pretty annoying. So I found like a converter type of thing, which isn't like made by Canon or anything, because on the Canon G7X, the lens doesn't detach. It's like a point and shoot. It's like for vlogging, to make it easy, to make it like, I guess, easy to carry and travel with. But I wanted a wide angle, so I bought this like converter and it's actually working out pretty well. Like the camera is so close to me right now. Like this is like right in front of my face. Oh no. Anyways, my eyebrows look terrible, but this is like right in front of my face and you can still see quite a bit, which is really good for vlogging. So yeah, I don't know. I guess like my vlog is gonna be all over the place, but it doesn't matter. I'm just excited to be back. I'm excited to just communicate with you all, be connected with you all a little bit better. My goal for my vlogs is just to create more content that makes me excited, and that could be, I feel like I want to, I have like a little cut on my mouth right here, so I'm sorry about that, but I want to create content that gets me motivated, and by that I mean like content that gets me up and going, because lately, and I'm pretty sure it's due to my depression and everything that I struggle with my mental health, that I feel sometimes like crippled, and I'm hoping that I'm using that correctly to explain what I'm trying to say, but I feel like my mental health cripples me to the point that I can't do anything. Like I'll be so honestly depressed to the point that I'll just lay on the couch for hours, and just before I know it, I'll like check the time and it's like, wow, it's already 10 o'clock. Like where did the time go? And then I'll head upstairs, go to sleep, wake up the next day, work, lay down on the couch, go to sleep. Like it's like the same thing over and over again, and I feel like I'm not doing anything with my life. I feel like everything is just like you know how in movies like they have those scenes where like the person is just like standing and everything's just passing on their sides, like life is just passing through, people are passing through, and they're just like at a standstill. Like that's kind of what I feel like right now, and honestly, that's why I haven't really vlogged much. I haven't been creating anything on social media. I just haven't been feeling really motivated to do anything, and enough is enough, you know, and maybe I'll still have those days where I am still gonna lay on the couch or do nothing, but I want to basically use vlogging as like my way of, you know, I'm doing something, you know, or for something, if that makes any sense. So like even something as like a simple task, like finding the charger for my vacuum so I can actually vacuum after, you know, over a week of not doing that, if not more. You know, that's a simple task, but I did it with you all. Even like cleaning my drawer, like I made a disaster over there, and that is something that it would have been impossible for me to do if I was just laying on the couch. But because I'm sharing it with you all, I am actually a little bit more motivated to do it. So hopefully that makes sense, but that's my goal with like vlogging. So maybe my videos may be all over the place. Maybe I'll be showing you all stuff that sometimes makes no sense, but it's gonna get me up and going, and I'm just gonna share it with you all, and it's just my life. It's what I'm doing, and hopefully it makes sense. But I'm not an aesthetic person, so if you're looking for aesthetics, that I'm not it, but I'm gonna show you all the real me, who I am, just raw footage. I try to do some editing here and there, but nothing fancy, so this is like very real. But I miss you guys, and thank you for sticking around. Thank you for being here for me, for honestly pushing me to be a better me. So yeah, I'm excited. And everything, like my goal always isn't just to like create content just for the hell of it, but it's to create content that I hope motivates and encourages someone. I know there's many of you guys that actually relate to me and like my struggles, so I hope this encourages you to even do one thing, even if it's, you know, just do something for you, whether it be like organizing a drawer like I'm doing right now, or heck, grabbing your planner, because I have my planner right here on my table that I haven't written in for quite a while, but I have it here and I want to do it because I'm gonna try to do it with you all, you know. So whether it's something that's like a pastime that is for you, that makes you happy, or something that is like for your home or cleaning or whatever it is, you know, just I encourage you to do it, to stand up and do even one thing, even if you set a timer for 5 minutes, because I know laying down on the couch during a depression slump, getting up seems literally impossible. So I get it, and I'm here for you. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work for a little bit, and then possibly clean out that drawer over there, that cabinet, because it's intense. And I have 2 junk drawers. I don't want to talk about it. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Toodles. See, we even got a different angle over here. It is lunchtime. I am going to warm up some leftover food that I had from this weekend. This is actually the food that my husband had ordered, but he didn't finish it, and currently he's at work in the office, and so he's gonna eat obviously at the office. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat it before it's no longer edible. So that is my plan. It's just like some leftover enchiladas and beef fajitas. So nothing major, but I'm gonna put it in the microwave and cook it for about a minute or 2. But yay, I'm excited because I am hungry. Caesar's outside. I don't know if I showed you all or not. I honestly don't even remember if I ever showed you all. I may have like some old footage from when, that was weird, my trash can wasn't opening up, but I may have some old footage or something, but I don't know if y'all remember, my lawn was dying and it is now coming back to life. Let me show you all. Look how pretty it looks. And Caesar's over there chilling. So there's obviously like some patchy areas that I need to fix, but so far so good. It's coming back to life and I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside because Caesar's like looking at me like, what the fuck? Look at this mess. I don't want to talk about it. It's a disaster. I never like these plates. Oh, open up like this. So I'm gonna cut off the top just because I can throw that away and I can actually carry the little plate a lot easier. So it kind of makes sense. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and sit and eat and probably watch some YouTube until my lunch is over. I did plan on trying to clean some of this mess up and that down there during my lunch, but it ain't happening. I'm kind of hungry and I think hanging out is going to be the best option right now. So yay. Okay, little update. I hope y'all are ready. I think it looks good so far. I need Matthew to look through these so he can tell me what to throw away, like what we can get rid of. But so far so good. I feel like I have all the essentials in here that like I still need to keep, and then eventually I want to get like organizing stuff so I can like organize things, and like I think we're gonna get rid of one of those things. I don't know, like I really want to this is like putting myself out there, so I want to get rid of a lot of the cups that I have up there. Like I hate that freaking cup, this one right here. It's like, it was such a thing that everybody was buying. I was like, I want it and I got it and I hate it. So I want to get rid of a lot of like the plastic cups, reusable cups and stuff like that. I don't really use like straw cups realistically. And there's stuff that just like needs to go that doesn't have like an actual set. So that's kind of what I plan on doing eventually. And then Same with like this section. There's like a lot of stuff that doesn't really belong. That one belonged to my great grandmother, so I'm keeping that. That's why it's way at the top, because I don't use that. And then that set my mom gave to me. She got that when she got married. So, and that's a set that I bought that's like kind of fancy. So it's just like our nice plates. I just don't have bowls for it. So I'm like, it's just there. I don't know. I want to get like racks. And this is like our everyday use. But I want to get a new one that's like a little nicer, but still easy to, I guess, use. So I want to get racks and stuff to actually organize. Like I want to just do all the things, including this right here. This is like the section that I don't like to open as often. There's a lot of mugs that I'm going to get rid of. The only ones I wouldn't get rid of are the ones that are like, that have some sort of meaning behind them, like my Disney or like mugs, my Vegas mug that my husband got me, like my Tiffany's mug up there, like stuff that actually has meaning to them. So I kind of plan on doing that little by little, but I am happy that this at least is organized somewhat. So yay, making progress.